Hey, this is Luke here with Foxscapes. We just finished this large landscape retaining wall project for a client out here in Lansing, Michigan. We actually got 3 walls here, 1, 2, 3. This was strictly a wall build and landscape material. So we're going to tell you the application here and tell you a little bit about the product. Come on. So it was really early in the springtime when we just came here to look at the project. The client had done the driveway, concrete, and then the asphalt on the way up. Newer homeowners to the house, and they needed to do the retaining walls next. They had existing timber walls that were probably original with the house that were starting to fail, weren't looking too good, so we had to spruce it up, bring in a new product that's going to provide the functionality they were looking for, which is you don't want the sides of your driveway, the earth, just to erode on down to your driveway. You got to have something to hold that back. So if you're looking at the front of the house, as you are right now on the right side of the driveway, we have 2 walls. This first one's just about 5 foot. Second one starts at a foot, steps up to 2.5 foot. So as the earth kind of naturally slopes down, we got a total of like 8 or 9 foot of elevation change from the front porch to the driveway. We had to put some walls in here to accommodate. 2 walls was the way it fit the best, given the sidewalk, given the slope. We have a little bit of slope to our first wall, and the terrain here between the first and second wall is perfectly flat. So the product selected on this project, we got high format Kodah wall block. High format being the manufacturer, Kodah being the actual model of the block. It's really good for this medium size application, being that some of our walls are, that one up there is just about 6 foot. Like over there, we got a 5 foot wall. So we got taller walls, good for mid-size application. These blocks range anywhere from 50 to 200 pounds in weight, and they're glued together with a brick stop glue. So a lot of times that glue will actually bond together more so than concrete, which is a great glue for the application here. And then every 2 layers, we got geogrid, and then we got backfill and drainage behind these walls to make sure that nothing's gonna cave in for many years to come. So this wall block, it looks good, matches the house very good. It actually comes in 3 colors. Limestone, which is almost the color of this concrete. This is called Fond du Lac, which has got more tans, and then there's slate gray, which has some grays. And we reviewed all the products with the client, and this one was the one that they selected. It matched the house the best. Being that the terrain slopes slightly to some of our walls, we ended up using a stone product instead of a mulch. A stone is resistant to erosion a lot more so than that of mulch, so we didn't want to see mulch like start to wash over the walls on rain days. So we selected this 1-inch Michigan crushed stone, really popular product. We love to use it. It's got a lot of natural Michigan stone colors in it. It's actually cobblestone run through a stone crusher, so the colors are just a little bit more vibrant than that of cobblestone. It's angular, locks together very well, good to use on hillsides, so it's a perfect product for this application. One of the most important things on this project was the drainage. Back behind the retaining wall, you have to have a drain to collect the water that comes towards the wall so it can divert it into a different direction. So right behind the wall, we got a corrugated tile in a sock, and it pops out right at the end of the wall to drain on down the hill. Thanks for following along in this landscape installation walkthrough where we have retaining walls and rock beds. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we look forward to showing you some more work.